Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily block someone on Cash App. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, of course, you open the Cash App application, you must be logged in, and then you tap on the search icon right here in the bottom. You'll be taken to this screen. Just use the search bar to find the account that you want to block. Once the results come up, tap on the account that you want to block again. Of course, this will take you to their account. Now you can see in the bottom of the screen there is this block button. That's where we need to tap. Now read through this information, you might need it. If you're sure about your decision, just tap on block right there. And as you can see guys, I have easily blocked this person. Now if I change my mind and I want to unblock them, I can just tap on the unblock button. And that is basically guys how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.